Jump for that fence.
I'm burying it, so you won't see it.
No, but honey, if you hit that, you could really hurt your face.
I stand on it. I'm gonna go on the spinning one. Can I go over there too?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta watch over there because there's no banking. You can go right into the road.
Yeah, I know.
Can I go over that tram?
In a second, sweetheart.
I'm just gonna go around it.
Don't forget to steer.
The first couple times we went down, he did that same stump thing. Now we know how to steer.
Are you doing some landscaping? You alright?
Am I bleeding?
No.
No, why?
I just hit that palm tree.
Oh.
In the face.
Keep your arms and hands in the vehicle.
I always do.
You alright?
Yeah.
What's wrong? How?
I thought people were driving private.
Go, watch out. Oh, wait, here it comes. Watch out, Lucian, you're going to be a speed bump. Get out of the way. How was it, Noelle?
Dumb.
Oh, no.
Noelle, you just kicked Daddy in the face.
Sorry.